Hello everyone, this is my review of the Relixcozy Food Warming Mat, an excellent addition for anyone who loves to keep food warm at parties or family gatherings. With 5 temperature settings, it allows you to adjust the warming to suit different dishes and maintain ideal serving temperature. The electric warming tray keeps food consistently warm so that every bite is enjoyable as the first. This warming pad is foldable and easy to store, making it perfect for small kitchens and hosts on the go. The silicone construction not only gives it a modern look, but also makes it easy to clean and maintain. It heats quickly